Guys, Dogecoin is headed up, and I believe it's its second bull run. We'll be discussing this in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade alerts. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts on a lot of different cryptos. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out. When there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. Comment anything down below and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts because we are positioned very well. And guys, if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, the Amazon news about them starting to accept all cryptos, turns out it wasn't true. Guys, sometimes this FUD gets across a lot of different media outlets and we don't know what to believe. However, we do know one thing. Amazon is in fact hiring a crypto expert on their team. Now, what this could mean, we don't exactly know right now. Let me know your comments down below. But I personally expect that Amazon will in fact start accepting cryptos because they want a crypto expert on their team. Guys, to me, it's simply inevitable. Also, another option is that they may very well not want people to know exactly their plans, so they're simply trying to suppress it. Maybe they don't want the other tech giants to jump on the bandwagon before them so they don't get the first dibs on the crypto train. I believe this is completely possible as well. So in my opinion, the denies of the allegations of them to start accepting all cryptos for payments, guys, I believe that's actually the FUD article. In my opinion, I think we're still good to go as far as Amazon accepting payments, but it is just a matter of time because they do need the crypto experts that they are now hiring to talk about it, to discuss it and implement it properly before they want the public to even know that's their plans. Guys, with all that fake news, the last couple of days we did see some massive crashes. However, we are beginning to pump again. Guys, after months of red, lots of FOMO, and lots of crashing, we are now finally seeing some pumps. The last couple of days, we have seen a lot of green candlesticks. Guys, not only for Dogecoin starting to pump again, but we saw some massive pumps for Bitcoin as well, nearing $40,000. And guys, Dogecoin is currently lagging behind a little bit, and as you know, whenever Dogecoin lags behind, it always surprises us with a massive pump out of nowhere. So get ready for that. You want to get in before this happens. You don't want to get in on the rise when it's too late and have FOMO wishing you got in earlier. So be sure to have my notifications on my Patreon so that you buy the dip when I call it out. Always have some cash on the side, buy a little dip here and there when I call it out so that you can average out your profits in the long run. Guys, an article just came out about Bitcoin titled, Bitcoin price seeks higher low as traders forecast a 45K breakout within weeks. Even very conservative crypto experts like myself even do project that Bitcoin will hit 45K as well here very soon. And guys, when this happens, expect to see a huge breakout and pump on literally every other altcoin out there. And guys, this will most likely jumpstart our second biggest bull run. And in my opinion, our bull run actually never stopped because there's been so much hype surrounding all the altcoins, including the top ones, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and that hype has never fully died down. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link at the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, for almost a 3-month period, we were in a huge corrections period. This is completely normal after a huge bull run to have a cool down period. It can't just continue to go straight up. It can't just continue to go straight down. It always has that up and down volatility. But guys, the people in my Patreon, my patrons have been accumulating on every single dip, and they are positioned very well because of this. No matter what, even if we're headed downwards, it is still a great time for investors if they know what they're doing. And that's why taking my direction on my Patreon is so incredibly important. Guys, not only are my patrons seeing huge profits since they bought at the dip every single time, but towards the end of the year, we will see some of the most profits we've ever seen on Dogecoin and other altcoins. Guys, another article came out that says, are Amazon rumors behind Bitcoin's biggest surge in months? Guys, in my opinion, we've seen such a massive surge with Bitcoin recently because of all the big institutions buying in. Guys, the biggest whales out there communicate together and they tell each other, hey, this is the perfect time. This is the best time to buy into Bitcoin. Let's all do it, and let's all do it at once. And this is the way they manipulate the marketplace, not only with the fake and FUD news that they spend a lot of money to put out to scare the smaller retail investors to selling out, but also they accumulate at these low levels very much. Guys, just yesterday we had on the chart someone actually purchased $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. This is huge and this moves the charts massively. Guys, institutions, banks, firms, countries, and the biggest whales out there are currently holding. They're not selling, they're not ready to sell because they know that Bitcoin could easily hit 100, 200,000 by the end of this year. Ethereum hitting 20, 30, $50,000 by the end of this year. Guys, it is now the time to buy, hold, and accumulate. Always hold with diamond hands and never sell for less than you bought in for. Guys, and as far as the balance on the exchanges of Bitcoin, we are seeing a massive drop. So guys, whenever the balance on the exchanges is removed, in this case, for example, Bitcoin, it causes the price to also go up. So with these massive drops, expect to see some huge spikes here just within the next 24 hours. Because it was removed at such a massive rate, it causes such a huge shortage in the Bitcoin marketplace that it is inevitable for the price to spike. Guys, what this means is that these big whales are moving it over to their cold storage, whether it be from Coinbase or a different platform. This is the confidence that they have in it, knowing that it will likely double, triple, or quadruple just by the end of this year or early next. This is very bullish to see this level of confidence in their wallets and in the crypto marketplace. This also means that they are very much in belief that there will be another bull run here very soon, and I also agree. Guys, and because of this hard fork update coming out August 4th for Ethereum, that's why we've seen such massive spikes here recently, jumping from $1,700 on up to $2,400. Guys, this is huge to happen virtually overnight. Guys, we are seeing higher highs and higher lows on the Bitcoin charts currently. We are sitting at $38,000. We are stair-stepping our way up in the uptrend on the Bitcoin charts currently because of these lows getting higher. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it is never too little. I have seen successful patrons of mine start with these amounts time and time again. We also have Ethereum and Cardano also in an uptrend. So keeping an eye on the charts, I will keep you guys up to date on my Patreon when I do see these steep dips, which I do end up seeing several times per week on average. Guys, when we look at our Dogecoin charts, we do see a bullish flag and pennant forming, with the flag being right here and the pennant being right here. It is a triangular pattern that forms in a consolidation, and when it gets to the end of this, guys, expect to see a huge breakout to the upside. Guys, expect to see Dogecoin in the late 20s, maybe even hitting 30 cents just within a week, so you want to get in before this happens. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment. And that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different altcoins, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales are sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.